So what you're going to do is you're going to start with a brand new spreadsheet. So let's open up the spreadsheet, and then what you're going to do is you're going to tap each of these columns and you can delete them. Or you can select the first column, drag it with this little dot here, and then you can delete all the columns. We want 2 columns. We can change this table name, so we can tap in there and we can change that to vehicle tally, like so. Then in this cell, which is A1, you can see there it's the column A and row 1, we're going to put in vehicle. And then in this one, which is B1, we're going to put in count. Okay, so we're going to leave that as it is at the moment. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tap on this button here and we're going to choose drawing. Now, there are our drawing tools. So I'm going to choose the pen here. I'm just going to make it a bit wider. So you tap it again, and then I'm going to make it a wide pen like this. And I'm just going to choose the black pen, and I'm going to draw a tally chart like that. Then I'm going to write at the top here, vehicle. And over here, count. Now, under vehicle, we're going to write all the different vehicles that we're going to see. So I'm going to choose red here. I'm going to put red car. And then we're going to do blue car. And then we're going to do a black car. And then I'm going to have a white car, but I can't put white because I'm writing on white. So I'm just going to do white car as well. And then we'll do other. We'll also have vans, buses, and I can move that around. Can you see I'm zooming in here? I want to put lorries, lorry and bike. Okay, so there are our tally charts. Now, when you watch the video, what you need to be doing is on the count side is tallying these up. So every time you see a red car, we're going to put a line. Every time we see a blue car, and when we see 4 on the 5th one, remember for tally charts, we are going to cross it like this. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3. Again, let's say white cars, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, etc., etc. Okay, so once you've watched the video, what you can then do is transfer it over to your table. So let's type in here. So we're going to put red car here, blue car, and so on so forth. We're going to type them all in. Other, van, bus, lorry, bike. Now on the last line here, on line 11, I'm going to type in total here, like so. And then from 12, we're going to drag this down and we're going to delete those rows. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make my table just a little bit bigger like this. Tap this in the corner. What I can do is tap on the paintbrush and make the text a little bit bigger as well. You can see that like that. So let's just do that. If I wanted to, I could go in and change the colours here. So I could make that a red if I wanted to. Make that blue, and so on and so forth. I'm going to leave that as it is at the moment. Then we're going to put our count in. So we need to go back to our tally. There's our 5. So in the first one, red cars, we had 5 cars. So let's put that 5 in there. And then blue cars was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put 7 there. Black cars was 5, 10, 15. 15 black cars. So let's do 15 for black. White was 12. Other was 3. Vans 4. Buses 1. Lorries 2. Bikes 3. And then total. Now what we're going to do here, what we can do, we don't have to add all these up. That's the beauty of using a spreadsheet. We can just tap on this and then scroll this down. All right. And then we're going to get this cell button. We can press this cell button at the bottom and we can look. We've got quick formulas. If we press on sum, it will then add up all of those without us doing any calculations. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make this bold as well, like so. And now we've got a nice tally chart. Let's visualize this data. So let's click the vehicle. Now I'm going to drag this down. Now I'm not going to choose total. All right, I don't want that appearing in my chart. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tap the chart button, and then we're going to choose one of these charts. And let's choose this first one. And there we've got our chart. Now I can make that a little bit bigger if I want to. I can place it wherever I want. So let's just place it there like so. Okay, so there's a chart and I can see which ones were the highest and the lowest. Finally, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to press the little button here. I'd like you to either go to camera, if you don't mind recording yourself, or go to record audio. So I'm going to say record audio, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to press the audio, and I'm going to talk about what I've been learning today and maybe analyse my data. So let's have a look. So today what we did, we tallied up some different vehicles as they passed by a camera on a road. And I found that that's what I learned how to create a tally chart and then use my spreadsheet to calculate things. I can then insert that, and there is my button. And don't forget, the last thing you need to do really is rename that spreadsheet. So I'm going to call it vehicle tally. There we go. Click on one of the videos on the screen to get an example of a traffic video that the students can use in the classroom to count and tally up the cars and vehicles in the video.